In this session we are going to discuss dividing the polynomials. You know how to divide the numbers. Now we are going to learn how to divide two polynomials. If you have given any two polynomials, how to divide two polynomials. Now let us consider the polynomial 3x square plus 3x. If you want to divide this polynomial with the other polynomial, let us consider x. And you know that it is a monomial because it contains only one term. We call it as a monomial. If you are dividing any polynomial with the monomial, how to divide? If you want to divide these two values, just we need to separate these values. So what you get here? 3x square by x plus 3x by x. Just we are separating these values, so you can observe that here 1x and here 1x will be cancelled. How many x is left, which is 1, 3x. Here this x will get cancelled. You are getting the result, which is 3. That means if you are dividing these two values, you are getting the quotient, which is nothing but 3x plus 3. That you have to divide. If you have given any polynomial, if you want to divide with the monomial, you can divide like this. Let us consider one more thing. 12x square plus 4x divided by 4. If you want to 4x, let us consider 4x. If you want to divide this one, how do you divide this one? Here you can divide this polynomial with this monomial in two different ways. How do you divide? Just you can observe that in this you can take 4x common, because here this one 12x square you can write it as 4x into 3x, right? Because 4 3s are 12 and x into x, which is nothing but x square. So you can write this 12x square as 4x into 3x plus here what is there here? This 4x is there by 4x. Here you can observe that here 4x is there, here 4x is there. You can take that 4x common. If you take that 4x common, what is left out here, which is 3x? Since we took this one, what is the remaining left out, which is 1 by 4x. This 4x will get cancelled. You will get the quotient, which is 3x plus 1. Like that you can solve it, or otherwise the same thing what we have done here. Just you need to separate each term. So what will get here, you can write this one as 12x square by 4x plus 4x by 4x, right? Just we have separated this one. So what you get, this 4x will get cancelled. Similarly here 1x will get cancelled. You know that 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. You will get here 3x plus 1. Like that you need to divide. If you want to divide with a polynomial and a monomial, you can do this one. Now divide two more numbers, two more polynomials. Let us consider, which is 3x square plus x minus 1 and x plus 1. If you want to divide these two polynomials, how do you divide? So here, if you want to divide these two polynomials here, how you can divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. This one you need to divide it here. So here can we separate these two values? Since here you can observe that it is not a monomial, how to divide these two polynomials? So there is one process to divide the polynomials, which is x plus 1. Here you will get here 3x square plus x minus 1. Now how to divide these two polynomials? If you want to divide these two polynomials, how to divide? Just you need to divide this first term and this first term. So here, if you divide this one, what you will get? 3x square by x. This x will get cancelled. You will get here 3x. So this one is the first term in the quotient. So write it here 3x. Now what is the next step? You need to multiply this 3x and x plus 1. This is the next step. So what you will get here? What is the first step? If you divide the first step, just you need to divide this first term and this first term. What you will get? This x will get cancelled. You will get 3x. This will be the first term in the quotient. And after that, the second step, you need to multiply these two values. So 3x into x plus 1. What you will get? 3x into x, which is nothing but 3x square plus 3x into 1, which is 3x. Now write this value here. So write it here 3x square plus 3x. And after that, the next step, you need to change the signs. That means here plus is there, you need to keep it here. If plus is there, you need to keep it here minus. Since plus is there, keep minus. Plus is there, keep minus. So here this one will get cancelled, and you know that here minus 3x is there, here plus x is there. So here minus 3x plus x. So what you will get here? You will get here minus 2x. So write it here minus 2x and take this term down, minus 1. Now the same thing what we need to do, similarly the same thing what we have done before, just you need to divide this term with this term. So divide it minus 2x by x. If you divide, what you will get minus 2. This is the second term in the quotient. Write it here minus 2. Now what is our step? You need to multiply this term with this term. So multiply here, what you get minus 2 into x plus 1. Minus 2 into x, which is minus 2x, plus into minus, which is minus 2 into 1, which is 2. Now write this one here. So write it minus 2x minus 2. What is our next step? You need to change the symbols. Since minus is there, we keep to here plus. Minus is there, keep it here plus. So here minus 2x and plus 2x will get cancelled, and you will get here plus 2 minus 1. You know that, which is minus 1. Like that you need to divide two polynomials. How to divide two polynomials? Just you need to divide the first term with the first term, and the result you write it in the quotient, and after that you need to multiply this term and this term, and after that you have to change the symbols, and after solving you are getting the remainder as 1. Like this you need to divide two polynomials. Let us consider one more polynomial. How to divide? Consider the polynomial 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 with x minus 1. Suppose if you want to divide these two polynomials, how to divide these two polynomials? So write it here, which polynomial we are going to divide? 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. If you want to divide these two polynomials, so what you will get here? What is our first step? You need to divide the first term and this first term. So what you will get here? 2x power 4 by x. And you know that here 1x will be cancelled. You will get here 2x cube. Right? We already cancelled 1x. So how many x will be left? Which is 3. 2x cube. Now write it here 2x cube. Now what is our second step? You need to multiply this value with this value. So multiply it, what you will get? 2x cube into x minus 1. 2 into x cube is there, here x is there. Total how many x are there? 4. 2x power 4 minus 2x cube into 1, which is 2x cube. Now write this value here. So what will you get? 2x power 4 minus 2x cube. What is our next step? You need to change the symbols. Since plus is there, keep it here minus. Minus is there, keep it here plus. So after that, you can cancel these two terms. So what will you get? Minus 4 plus 2. What is the value of minus 4 plus 2? Which is minus 2x cube. Now take this term minus 3x, and after that, now what we need to do? We need to divide these two terms. So divide it, what you will get? Minus 2x cube by x. This one will get cancelled. You will get minus 2x square. Write this term in the quotient. So write it minus 2x square. Now what we need to do? We need to multiply this term with this term. So multiply it, what you will get? Minus 2x square into x minus 1. So again minus 2x square into x, which is x cube. Write it here x cube. Minus into minus, which is plus 2x square into 1, which is 2x square. Now here you need to write this value here. So write it here, what you will get here? Minus 2x cube. Here you can observe that x square term is not there. So write x square term here. plus 2x square. Now after that, what is the next step? You need to change the symbols. Write it here plus. So here minus. Now this one will get cancelled. What is the next term which is left out? 2x square minus 3x. You need to take this term down, which is minus 1. Now what is the next step? You need to divide these two. So what you will get here? 2x square by x. So this one will get cancelled. You will get 2x. Now write this 2x here plus 2x. So what is the next step? You need to multiply these two values. So write it here 2x into x minus 1. 2x into x, which is 2x square minus 2x. Write this value here. So what you will get here? 2x square minus 2x. What's the next step? You need to change the symbols. Since plus is there, keep it here minus. Minus is there, keep it here plus. Now, what will get? Minus 3 plus 2, which is minus 6 minus 1. Now, again what we need to do? Again you need to divide these two numbers. So, what will get here? Minus x by x. You know that value is minus 1. Write it here minus 1. Now multiply this minus 1 with this one. So you get minus 1 into x minus 1, which is minus 1 into x, which is minus x. Minus into minus, which is plus. 1 into 1, which is 1. Now write that one here. What you get here? Minus x plus 1. Now what we need to do? We need to change the symbols. Here plus is there. This one will get cancelled. You will get minus 1, which is nothing but minus 2. Like this, you need to divide two polynomials. In the next session, we are going to discuss about the remainder theorem.